Pakistan and America are an interest-based alliance from the beginning. Time to time, America imposed sanctions on Pakistan and in time of need, showered them with dictating money. Trump's Afghanistan policy put America in shock because once Taliban and Haqqani leaders were in White House Oval Office and were guests of Ronald Reagan, President of US, then compared them with founding father of United States. But now Americans are changing their father. Pakistan is still a friend of America, founding father, because America came to Afghanistan for its interest, but Pakistan is permanently there and have long border sharing. Now the America policy is telling the world, and especially to US citizens, that interest is far greater than morality. Past freedom fighters and symbols of freedom were fighting Soviets are now terrorists, because they are now again defending their land against foreign occupants, but this time occupiers are Americans. Now it's up to you to decide between collateral damage and terrorist attacks. Remember, might is right, but not always.